Top 5 most bizarre facts about different US states you didn't know. 1. Alaska has a town named Talkeetna where a cat was once the mayor for 20 years. 2. In Ohio, it's illegal to fish for whales since no whales live there, just a strange law. 3. California's official state animal is the grizzly bear, even though none have lived there since 1924. 4. In Florida, it's illegal to sing in a public place while wearing a swimsuit, a quirky rule. 5. Nebraska has a law forbidding people from getting married if both parties are drunk, oddly specific. Subscribe for more unbelievable US state facts you won't hear anywhere else.